Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Is your WordPress site giving you a headache with errors, slow loading, or issues you can't seem to fix? Well, reinstalling your WordPress might be the best solution. Instead of digging through all your site's files and code to find errors, reinstalling your WordPress is a quicker and easier solution. But you have to be careful. WordPress is the backbone of your website, and when you remove it, make sure you can put everything back exactly as it was. So it's really important to be extra cautious during the process. This will help make sure the transition goes smoothly and keeps your website's data safe. So here are the 4 steps on how to reinstall WordPress without losing data. Step 1. Back up your important files. It's always a good idea to back up your website before making any significant changes to it. A simple way to back up your site is to find the files you need and copy them into a temporary folder. After reinstalling WordPress, you can easily move them back. Here you can use a file transfer protocol or FTP client like FileZilla. Click the link in the description below to know how to connect your site with FileZilla. So, for example, after logging into your site, you can find all your plugin data by looking under the folder /public/wp-content/plugins. Simply copy it to a safe place for a backup of all your installed plugins. You can also consider running a dedicated backup of your entire website using a plugin like Jetpack. Jetpack provides real-time backups and other features that can help protect your site's data. Or your hosting service might already handle regular backups for you. Luckily, GigaPress web hosting provides daily backup service. In any unforeseen event, they ensure your website's quick restoration to the latest backup, safeguarding your online presence. Check their plans at gigapress.net/webhosting. And get the perfectly suited hosting for your website needs. With a full backup, if anything goes wrong, you can easily restore your site to a previous version. Step 2. Remove unwanted or suspect files. If you think certain files might be causing a problem on your site, you can remove them before reinstalling WordPress. This ensures those files won't be a problem anymore. For example, if you find any corrupted files similar to this in your site's root directory, try to figure out what they are and delete them before you reinstall. This way, you can start fresh without any old issues. You may want to run another backup after removing any unwanted files, or even test your site without them. If you suspect a particular file is corrupt, you might just replace that single file instead of doing a full reinstall. Step 3. Activate maintenance mode on your site. Before moving ahead with the reinstallation process, or if your site is already down from the errors you are troubleshooting, you'll want to activate maintenance mode. This will let your visitors know what is going on your site and could imply that the downtime is intentional. It is much better for your visitors to see that your site is under maintenance than to receive an error or see that your site is broken. Using a plugin like SeedProd can make this easy. SeedProd lets you quickly put your site into maintenance mode and even customize the maintenance page to make it look attractive and provide information to your visitors. Simply flip the switch to activate maintenance mode before beginning the reinstallation process. Then turn it off when your site is back to normal. Step 4. Reinstall WordPress. The easiest way to reinstall your WordPress is by going to your WordPress dashboard, then on the Updates menu, click on the Reinstall button. In this case, you can either install the newest version of WordPress, which may help resolve your issues, or reinstall your current version. If you want a complete reinstallation, you can manually delete all the files in your root directory using FileZilla, and then install a fresh version of WordPress. This method ensures that you start with a fresh copy of WordPress. But as I mentioned earlier, be sure to have a backup of your important files. For example, if you don't think the problem is related to your plugins or themes, you can make a copy of the /wp-content folder so you can add it back after reinstalling. Also, consider saving files like wp-config.php and wp-settings.php, which contain your site settings otherwise have, to reconfigure after installation. However, keep in mind that if these files are part of the problem with your site, adding them back to your new installation might bring the issues back as well. And that's it! When reinstalling WordPress, remember to back up your important files, remove unwanted files, activate maintenance mode on your site, and reinstall a fresh copy of WordPress. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.